Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a power hour clean with me, and I love doing power hours because I always think you can get so much more done when you're timing yourself. So I'm just going to go around my house and see what chores need doing, and hopefully you can tick off some of your to-do list as well today. Not only is today's video a power hour video, but it is also a collaboration with a gorgeous YouTube mama, and I know that you would absolutely love her videos as much as you love mine. So do be sure to head over to her channel, watch her video, and also subscribe to her channel once you've finished watching this one.
Hey you guys, my name is Marie. I am a stay-at-home mom from Georgia. I have 3 little ones. My YouTube channel is Marie Love Asbury, just my name. I create tons of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, recipes, and all things homemaking over on my channel. So if you're interested in cleaning, cooking, homemaking, and motherhood type videos, make sure you head over to my channel after you finish this beauty's video today. I share very realistic, real-life content over on my channel. And tune in every Monday for a new Motivational Monday. Every Monday, I am bringing the clean and motivation or something very motivational to get your week started off right. And I know we get tired of eating the same old every night, so definitely head over to my channel and check out some of my recipes that I've shared. I'm always sharing some new recipes, and I'm always bringing the clean and motivation. Help me to grow my channel by heading over and hitting that subscribe button. See you soon.
I am going to have her YouTube channel as well as her Instagram linked down in the description box down below. Do make sure you head over and watch her video once you've finished watching this one, and also let her know down in the comments if you came from here. So the first thing I wanted to check off my to-do list was the laundry. Because it takes about an hour to do, I pretty much use this as my timer. I'll put the laundry on first thing and then do whatever I can whilst it's washing. Then it's time to take it out and hang it up, and my power hour will be finished. So I always try and see how much I can get done in the time it takes to do one laundry load.
That's not the truth.
I'm not sure where this washing up comes from, because it doesn't matter how many times I wash up during the day, or if I do it right before I go to bed, there's always some waiting for me the next morning. So I just don't know where it comes from, but this is pretty much my routine every day, is just to get the washing up done first thing in the morning. Then I can just go around and give the kitchen a good wipe over and make it nice and fresh for the day.
Say you think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high.
Once that's all done, I'm moving into the living room just to give it a good tidy and a bit of a declutter, sorting out the cushions and taking any rubbish out. This again is just something that needs doing every day, but I'm really glad that it wasn't too bad today, because it definitely would have taken longer than an hour to do. But I do think that you get so much more done when you're doing a power hour, when you're actually timing yourself and you have like a specific time. I don't know if that's just me, but I always feel like I can get 10 times more stuff done if I am on a time limit. So do make sure you set a timer today, and let me know down in the comments how quickly you got everything tidy.
Almost can't believe it, believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time
So once I've gone round and given everywhere a good dust and made sure everything is nice and clean, I'm now going to go in with the hoover. And if you have been here before, you know that hoovering is one of my favourite chores to do. I actually find it really satisfying, and I think it can really transform a room. It just makes everything nice and bright and airy, or it does for me anyway. I think it just makes it complete. I don't think I could tidy a room, do all of the dusting and make it nice and clean and not hoover it. Hoovering it is definitely the final thing for me anyway. I know a room is complete once it's been hoovered. So I'm just going to go around, give everywhere a good hoover, and I'm also going to tackle the stairs today because the stairs don't get done as much as they should. So I am going to try and get as much done as I possibly can today.
I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you do.
If you'd like to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis, do head over to my Instagram. I'm going to have my Instagram link down in the description below. I'm active over there every single day, so if you do want to see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube, do go ahead and give me a follow.
Dropping everything 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think
So I always leave the washing up to air dry. I just find it so much easier to let it air dry while I do the rest of the house. So now I've come back to it, I'm just going to pop that away and give the sink a good clean just before hanging up the laundry.
we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry.
I decided to go in with the Cif cream today because it has been a little while since I've given it a good scrub. I've just been wiping it over with the Method spray, but I am in love with the Cif cream, so I thought I was just going to go to town, give it a good scrub and get it nice and shiny. But I absolutely love using it with a minky and then going over it again with a microfiber cloth. It just buffs it up and it leaves it super shiny, and I just think that is the cherry on a cake when you are cleaning your kitchen, is to have a really nice shiny sink at the end of it. So I love doing the sink whenever I'm doing the kitchen.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that?
So it's now been just under an hour, so it's time to hang up the laundry. I didn't do a big load today, so there's not a lot to hang up, but I've started to do it little and often rather than letting it build up, because I used to just let it build up, wait till we have no clothes, and then do like 3 wash loads, 4 wash loads in a day, which was really easy to do when I was using the tumble dryer. But now I'm hanging all of the clothes to dry. I can't wait until we have no clothes, because sometimes they can take overnight to dry and we literally have no clothes, so that would be an absolute nightmare. So now as soon as I get a few bits, I just try and whack it in straight away and just never let it build up anymore.
I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also let me know down in the comments. And don't forget, today's video is a collaboration with Marie, and I'm going to have Marie's channel link down in the description below, so you can head on over, give her video a watch, subscribe to her channel, and also let her know in the comments if you came from here. And if you are here from Marie's channel, I really hope that you decide to stick around today by clicking the subscribe button, so you can come back and see even more motivation from me every single week. And I will see you all back here in the next one.